How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get a deeper voice fast for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So this is a great way to get a deeper voice. I've been doing this for probably 4 years already. My voice used to be really squeaky. It's now much deeper. So put your hand on your stomach. Now to do this correctly, your chest should not rise. You should breathe air in and out through your stomach like this. Should go like this. Again, I've been doing this for years, so you can tell my chest is not moving. When you start, your chest might, that's fine. Again, it takes some time to get good at this. "15 reps. So that's the first exercise. I'm going to show you guys another exercise. When doing this, I typically do about 30 to 40 reps, and I will do roughly 5 sets. So I do anywhere from 150 to 200 repetitions. So the next exercise we're going to do is deep breathing. So we're going to breathe air in and out through our chest. So we want to make our chest, our diaphragm rise and fall like this. So deep breaths. So perfect. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.